Sewer inspection for 2518 East Roy. So starting at the outside cleanout access, running downstream. This is the existing 4-inch PVC pipe on the property. Right here we have the 4-inch by 6-inch transition. Line transitions into 6-inch PVC. And as we turn this corner, you can see a major offset right there at the top of the screen between the two between the two sections of plastic pipe. And then we transition into 6-inch clay sewer pipe. This is beneath the sidewalk, now heading out to the street. And here we have the connection to the city main.